I'm kind of thinking Bitcoin finishes this cycle closer to 250,000. Global debt is 400% of global GDP. Whatever you think you own, you don't actually own. It can be taken away from you. Bitcoin finishes 150 to 250,000, i.e. it does a few X the last all-time highs. So I want people to understand that everything humans do is basically a contract. All societies are organized by contracts. What is this smart contract business?
Raoul Pal, the co-founder and CDO of Real Vision, and a former hedge fund manager, Goldman Sachs executive, and a crypto investor. In this video, Raoul will share his views on the current and future trends in the crypto market, the demographic problem, and the smart contract business. He will address some of the key questions and challenges that many people face, such as, how does he estimate crypto cycle scenarios and factors influencing them? How does he predict Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana prices, considering ETF and adoption? How does he address the demographic problem of aging equity owners and market crash consequences? How does he describe the smart contract business revolution, noting benefits and challenges? So grab your coffee while Raoul Pal talks about these topics and more.
How I think of it, I think there's a 60% chance that it's just a normal crypto cycle. So Bitcoin finishes 150 to 250,000, i.e. it does a few X the last all-time highs. There's a 20% chance that because of the ETF and how the economic cycle works, everyone gets overexcited about rate cuts, whatever, that we kind of front load it and it's short. But then there's another 20% chance that this actually extends further than we expect because institutions and others come into the space and it broadens out. So I think 60% chance normal cycle, 20% super cycle, 20% actually a short cycle.
Wait a minute, everyone. Get ready for the ultimate crypto investing website, the Bitcoin Seller. It's your golden ticket to an exclusive insiders club. Expert predictions, on-chain data, and breaking news, all for you. Imagine all crypto insights landing in your inbox daily, like having your own expert team. Don't miss this VIP opportunity. Click the link and secure your spot. Join now and ride the crypto roller coaster with the Bitcoin Seller. SEC has approved several Bitcoin spot ETF in the U.S., which could boost the demand and liquidity for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The first Bitcoin spot ETF, BITO, launched by ProShares, has attracted over $1 billion in assets under management in its first week. Other Bitcoin spot ETF, such as BTF and BITO, have also seen strong inflows. Crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppe has expressed his positive surprise at Bitcoin's recent push above $40,000 and said that the current bull cycle could send BTC over $250,000. He also said that he expects Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin in the coming months and reach $15,000 to $20,000.
I'm kind of thinking Bitcoin finishes this cycle closer to 250,000. I think a lot of people are lower. I think it might be higher because of the dynamics of the ETF and other stuff. I'm pegging Ethereum between 15 and 20,000, and I'm pegging Solana between 750 and 1,000. So my view is Bitcoin starts the cycle and outperforms in the start. Then people go out the risk curve, ETH. We're going to have an ETH ETF. We'll see the market pick up there.
Right.
But the horse that's moving faster is the one that's coming from a smaller adoption base. It moves faster.
Ethereum has reclaimed the $2,400 level after the Denkin upgrade went live on the Holesky testnet, which is a major milestone for the transition to Ethereum 2.0. The upgrade aims to improve the scalability, security, and sustainability of the network by introducing sharding and proof-of-stake consensus. Solana has a history of rewarding those who buy the dips. Despite facing high volatility this week after its network went offline, halting the production of new blocks, Sol price is trending higher along with its altcoin peers.
Our actual problem is actually demographics. There's too many old people. And the old people all own equities. And they also have all the wealth. So if you were to allow the market to go down 70% that people want, we want that bear market to show the bankers that they've done it wrong. We wipe out 70% of the wealth of America. You simply can't do it. And that's the collateral for all of the debt as well. So you blow up everything. That's what we learned in 2008, which was like, they're not going to go there. That was what Draghi did in 2012. It's like, whatever it takes, but we are not going to do that, which is the 1929 outcome. So what they're actually trying to do is rescue the baby boomers and rescue the governments who are trying to keep economic growth going with an indebted old population. So they're not trying to transfer money to the super wealthy. That was the unintended consequences. I don't think they understood what they were doing was debasing currency. When they learned it, they're like, oh, this is magic. Let's just keep pressing the magic button. Assets go up, and we're saved from ever a debt deflation.
U.S. Congress has passed a $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill and a $1.75 trillion social spending and climate bill, which aim to boost the economy, create jobs, and address the challenges of climate change. However, the bills also add to the already high public debt, which has reached 125% of GDP as of the second quarter of 2023.
What is this smart contract business? So I want people to understand that everything humans do is basically a contract. All societies are organized by contracts. Me appearing with you was a contract over email. Even how societies work, how religions work, everything, they're contracts. Some are not that important. Like meeting a friend for a drink, you can say, hey, listen, I can't make it. Nobody's going to sue you for it. It might cost you more drinks next time, but that kind of thing. But others are really important. Insurance contracts, derivative contracts, contracts for ownership of property. All of this can now be digital, so you don't have to trust a third party. So we're away from the system of money. We're now talking about verified truth, electronically verifiable truth done by code. So that means we can then get rid of middlemen all over the place. And we've all spent too much money on lawyers. We've all spent too much money on accountants. We've all spent money with notaries. All of this stuff disappears. Things like insurance companies don't need to be insurance companies anymore. They're just contracts of payments and contracts for pooling of capital. So it can be in literally anything, from a ticket to a sports event to the most complex derivative contract in the world, can actually go on this new rails. So it's much bigger than either of us first thought when we first saw it. It's like, wow, question about everything.
IBM has launched a blockchain-based platform that tracks temperature-controlled pharmaceuticals through the supply chain, providing trusted, reliable, and accurate data across multiple parties. The platform, called Pharma Portal, is powered by IBM Blockchain Transparent Supply and aims to reduce issues in the transport of life-saving medications. Binance has launched a cryptocurrency price prediction and forecast tool that allows users to forecast and predict cryptocurrency prices over the next 4 years based on a fixed interest rate. The tool also shows the consensus rating among users and provides information on the cryptocurrencies, such as market cap, volume, and supply. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Zella. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.